Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to copy link on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Here you'll have to click on the arrow option in the right hand side of the screen. And here you can see copy link option. And that is how you can copy link on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.